hear something strange up ahead.
Whoa! What happened to this vehicle? This looks like damage from a monster car. I'll scan it while you call for help. Heavy team, we need a tow right now. Let's fix this! No time to lose! You're no ordinary vehicle anymore. You're RescueBot X. It's RescueBot X.
Let's test what he can do.
He's fast, strong, and ready. Monster cars, they're growing in number. If we hit them here, we can cut off their supply lines.
We'll stop them together.
Testing turbo strength mode.
Emergence alert! Monster cars downtown. Let's roll fast!
Clear the streets! Get everyone out! Wing out!
RescueBot, you're up!
Split up and flank them! Let's roll!
Activating water shield! Boom blast! Take that! Whoa!
We have to rescue those civilians! Lifting rubble now!
They're regrouping! Watch out!
Don't you worry, Jake. We'll handle them. Tank! Flash! Get over here, now! Hang on, Flash is almost ready.
Hurry! We're losing time!
Sensor activated. Shockwave ready.
Shielding civilians! Stand behind me!
Formation! Defend together!
Let's show them real power!
They're escaping underground! Deploy trackers, now! Slipping in for recon.
Launching signal flares!
There they are! Corner them! Attack Plan B! Maximum effort!
Engaging final strike!
We did it! They're neutralized! Great job, team!
Always ready for the next rescue!